It's a new 2023 BMW X2. This is a showcase for what's next. A compact SUV with sleek coupe-like styling and distinct BMW design. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, driver memory seats, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Welcome to Bill Jacobs BMW. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 2495 Aurora Avenue in Naperville, Illinois.